Minor children may have income like interest, dividend, capital gain on shares, mutual fund, or rent from land, building, etc. Minor children may have income because of their personal efforts, personal skill like KBC, dance, quiz, cricket playing, etc. In both cases, income is taxable and two taxing methods are in practice. One is clubbing of income. Income shall be taxed in the hands of parent, and if income is generated by minor because of their personal skill, in that case minor may file return himself. Income generated by minor because of personal skill shall be filed by himself. In that case, minor will file their return himself. Generally, minor may have assets in form of mutual fund, capital gain, fixed deposit, land building, etc. These all assets are earned by either of parent, and assets are taken in the name of minor child. In that case, clubbing provision is applicable and income is taxable in the hands of either of parent whose income is more. Another case comes when minor child earn because of their personal skill, because of talent, or because of participation in KVC, quiz, cricket, dance, dance quiz, talent hunt, etc. In that case, clubbing provision is not applicable, and all these incomes earned by minor child because of their personal skill shall be taxable in the hands of minor himself. In that case, all exemption and deductions are allowed to him. Please remember there are two taxing methods in case minor child have income. The one is clubbing provision, another one is taxing in the hands of minor himself. Thank you.